Hi, welcome to my channel. Karina here. Today we're going to learn how to make rosettes. This is my take, a simple and easy and kind of a lazy way of doing them. And for that we will need a score tape. I found these. It's a 6x6 sheet double-sided adhesive, and this is going to be my base for the rosette. I'm going to put these other ones that I created in this container, and let's start. What we will need is the cupcake linings. I have one already, and I'm also using, for part of the embellishing the rosettes, the Reset Girl word label stickers. I have 3 of my favorite washi tapes. I also am using the Maggie Holmes carousel collection. I'm using this paper. I punch few circles with my 1-inch punch, and also use some of the random pink paper, and I punch it with a 1.5-inch. And I have here a few embellishments. So let's start the process. What I do, I take this lining and cut it up to here. In other words, I cut the base okay. Now I am going to use the score tape and punch it. I'm going to use my 1.5-inch punch. Okay, so this is going to be my base. I'm going to peel it. And now I am going to stick the cake cup lining in the center, and I keep rolling. You see how easy this is? I don't have to fold too much. The center, just only press it there, in the center, in the center. Keep moving these around, and then I will do this. So my rosette is semi-form. Okay. And what I do here, since I use my tiny attacher, or you guys can use a mini stapler, and put 2 staples here. Okay. Now I'm going to go to the part of gluing. So lately I have been using my glue gun, and guess what? I burned myself. So I discovered this Fabri-Tac, which is almost like a cold glue gun. It's very good adhesive, and I am going to take one of the random circles, glue it, and stick it here. This adhesive is just phenomenal. It sticks, and it's cold, it's not hot. Now the Maggie Holmes crepe paper circled punch, paper, And we're gonna stick it here. Okay, it's not moving. Perfect. Now for bling bling, I am going to add this washi tape. I'm using the fabric tack glue again on the washi tapes because sometimes washi tapes can be not sticky or they will come off. So okay, now I am going to use one of these words. Let's see which one we select. Let's do best friends. This is cute. Oh, best friends. Here we go. And I am going to put this one here. Let's see if I do a miniature flower over here. No, maybe over here. Well, I think it's not, doesn't look good. It's silver. And we have here maybe put this gold leaf here. This is part of the ribbons that I bought at Hobby Lobby a couple of weeks ago. Just put it over here like that. And there you have the rosette. I think this part is a little bit fat, so I am going to trim it a little bit to make it more even. So it looks like a circle, not a oval shape. Okay, that's looking good. So here you go, the rosette, an easy, simple, and lazy way of doing a rosette using score tape or double side tape. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up and see you next time. Bye.